Welcome to the 30-day challenge to clean off a hoarder's porch.
Hey friends, it's Allie with Dupe's Boutique. So the thing was, I said I was going to get my porch, the part of the porch that we all kind of congregate at on the weekends, cleaned off. And I had a hoard pile, and you can see some of it behind me. And today it just really hit me. Like, I knew the end of the month was coming, but tomorrow is the 31st. So I'm supposed to have this done.
Oh, hey. Woo! Am I glad that 30 days is over? Actually, truth be known, that challenge took me over a year to complete. It took me over a year to completely clean off this porch and create a living space that my family can enjoy. Let this video be an inspiration to all of you who have those big projects that seem so daunting and might take longer than you think to get it done. Just jump in there, tackle one thing at a time. I promise you, good things are gonna take time, and I hope that you will take a space or a project and just dive in, even if it takes you 3 days, 30 days, 300 and some odd days. Just start it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to tackle that giant project that you've been putting off. You will be so happy that you did. Now, I had piles like this all over the porch. Some of it was easy to get rid of, but some of it not so much. I gave myself 30 days to clean these projects off my porch. So I'm doing a lot more spray painting than I would normally do.
Today I have got to get started on this trunk. Actually, it happened upon me because we own a store, and sometimes people will come by and they'll try to sell you things. And these people came in the store, they had a truckload of items. They said, "You want to take a look?" Yes, I want to take a look. And so I trotted outside to the truck, but this humpback trunk was in the truck. And I said, "Oh my gosh, I really would love that." And she said $50. The real surprise is, there it was. Can y'all see this? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So let's get through all the creepy crawlies. Ooh, I'm itching already. So I have some Murphy's oil soap, and I'm just going to scrub it now. Now, this trunk, I didn't actually end up keeping it. I took it to my booth so it could find a new home. This chandelier headed for the junk pile actually became an outdoor solar light chandelier. I absolutely love it. I had a good time creating it, and I will link the project video in the description. This pool, well, it ended up at my daughter's house. She cleaned it up with a little bit of bleach, and now my grandsons are having a great summer with the pool.
Is that a froggy? I think we have a froggy friend. And a pine straw. Lots of pine straw. Let's see if this is a froggy. It is a froggy. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Hello.
Okay, yes, I want to see if the rug will fit there, or if my space relation?
It's always wrong.
Challenged?
Always challenged.
Okay, go for it. Now, this rug, it is really pretty, but I ended up having to order a larger one because, of course, it did not fit. This table had been sitting around for a while. It had been chewed on by my precious pup Dolly, and so it needed some repair. And this was a good project because, number one, I used Fusion paint for the first time, and I learned how to repair a leg with air dry clay by IOD. Now, I was going to save this for another video, and I still might do one, but I wanted to talk about Fusion paint. I had never used it before, and I really liked it. It was low odor, and it went on very smoothly, and it actually did a pretty good pretty good coverage at one coat, but of course I did two. Now, this was an extensive project. My little dog had chewed the leg pretty bad, so I wanted to try using Iron Orchid Designs air dry clay to actually sculpt and build a new leg. I thought this would be the perfect thing to use, and it actually turned out so good you can hardly tell, unless you knew that it had been chewed, that it was damaged. So what I did is I just sculpted using the side that had no damage as my guide, and created the leg back to its original shape. And this took a minute. I actually used some wood glue, Tight Bond wood glue, to make sure that everything stayed in place. But I think you'll be amazed, so keep watching so that you can see the results. Air dry clay dries hard and durable, and I think it will stand the test of time and be a good solid repair. Now, this part of the table had some putty repair that, while I wanted to originally stain it, it couldn't be covered, so I went ahead and painted it. But the top of the table, I am going to stain. While making this video, I finished a lot of unfinished projects and tried a lot of pins that I had pinned over time. Okay, so I'm not quite done with the table. I still have to stain the top. But I wanted to show you the repair that I did and see if you even notice. Cool, huh? Actually, I don't even know if I can tell. This wreath is also one of my favorite projects. I will link a video to this project in the description. It's an Anthro dupe, and I love it. And now for the big reveal. I am so happy that I tackled this project because now our family can sit and enjoy our outdoor space in comfort. This is the before. I wish I had got a better before. And this is the after. It's amazing. I did actually pressure wash the entire back porch, got rid of all the cobwebs and the dirt, and now it is absolutely the most beautiful outdoor space in our home. We have meals out here now. We gather together. There's room for my grandsons to play. And it's just wonderful. Now, this last piece, this light, my husband cleaned it up for me and hung it, and it is absolutely beautiful. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you have, and I challenge you to clean out any space in your home that you are not enjoying because of all the clutter. Thanks for watching.